Yeah, my hair looks a mess right now, I know. So what's up, my beautiful people? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this, how you can get a nice flat installment of your wig on your natural hair, and an easy way that you can keep it all flat and tucked in together underneath. What you want to do is braid your hair in some type of flat base. I don't care if my parts are straight. I didn't go for super small braids. I just wanted to be braided down so that my wig can be flat on my head. You do want to make sure that they're not just like big and bulky, but they don't have to be teeny tiny either. Usually people will sew their braids down, but me, I'm not going to sew my braids down. I'm going to use bobby pins because I like to care for my hair a lot in between taking my wig off at nighttime. So I don't want my hair to be sewed down because I still want to be able to wash it, condition it, moisturize it, and all that stuff. So, and re-braid it if I plan on wearing my wig for consecutive months. So that's the good thing about wearing wigs, and I always, as my channel always talks about, I'm big on caring for my hair and not. What I'm going to do is take my braids and kind of like lay them in between the parts. And once I get so many, I'm gonna bobby pin those together. Just like that. And you just want to repeat the same thing on the other side. And I'm literally just laying them in between the parts. Again, like I said, you can choose to sew your braids down or up if you want to, but I'm not, because I like to care for my hair a lot, and that would just be too much for me to sew it down and take it down, sew it down, and then take it down. That's just too much, sis, and I'm not doing it. So the back will look like this. I literally just pinned them up in between. Black stocking cap because I have a silk base closure. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Because my closure is silk base and it already has like that natural look, and it's not a lace like just like a regular lace. I don't know how good that's focusing. It's already got that natural texture and natural color. If I put a black stocking cap under here, you're really not gonna be able to tell the difference. So with the black stocking cap, without it. But if your closure is a lace instead of like the silk base, like this, then you want to get you a nude stocking cap instead of a black one. I can get away with the black one because mine is silk base and it's not see-through. All your braids are tucked away. So the way you put this on, take your band. Anyways, take your band, pull it back there. Flip your head over. Then you want to get the baby hairs out. Take your flat irons work much better. I don't have my hot comb with me right now, so you can use a flat iron or any hot styling tool. So what I'm gonna do is take my water mixture with some leave-in and some aloe vera and mist this hair so I can get it back wavy. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, give it a nice big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos from more, stay tuned to the end and hit the circle where my picture is and click subscribe. Just as simple as that. Until next time. And for discussion, comment below and let me know if your favorite closure is a lace front, a 360, or a just U-part closure like what I have. And if you like sew-ins or wigs, and let me know why.